All right.
Hello, everyone. Tostadas. Today we're opening up Pokemon trading cards. Darkrai. Steel Tin Box. Make sure to subscribe to the Too Easy Army to give us luck.
And remember,
Let's see what we'll get.
and remember, it's all just too easy.
If we pull another $50 Darkrai promo card. Let's show off the card to the audience so they can see it. Not for too long because I want to sleeve this. Beautiful. Look at that glow on the Android camera. In the back.
If you notice
video
problems, that's because we're using an Android phone now, so that's why it looks ass.
And now we sleeve.
But a good thing about Android is I can pause instead of having to edit all of this.
Oh wow, you do. Anyway. Darkrai promo card. Rare find indeed. Make sure to subscribe for the Too Easy Army for more luck. And now, on to the review. So delicate. Make sure to blur out this code, even though I'm going to be scanning it before you guys can even do it. Ooh, yes. Let's start off with Brilliant Stars Amazon pack. Now, I believe this isn't like the Scarlet and Violet ones, and I can actually open this up the normal way.
I hope. Oh, yes, I finally opened up the card packet. Now, if I remember correctly, according to my... Wait, I'm gonna do the transition again. To my
Grandfather.
Wait, show the red part that... Do this. Okay.
And now, we go 1, 2, 3.
If you mess this up, I'm gonna laugh.
Make sure to join the Too Easy Army. I actually got it. Make Dark Energy. I'll make sure to use this wisely.
Put it separately if you want.
Yeah, energies. You can go over here. Fracture. That's a nice Pokemon card. Cafe Master. Gabite. Corpus. Golett. Shimeko. Himshaw. Minkino.
Reverse hollow?
Reverse hollow pot helmet. Make sure to join the Too Easy Army. Here's a little spoiler.
Oh!
Join the Too Easy Army! I told you guys to join the Too Easy Army. We just got a Shaman V-Star.
Full art.
250 HP.
Rainbow card.
Rainbow. Full art. Did I mention it's full art? Did I mention it's rainbow?
Alright, next
Did
pack.
I mention it has 250?
Second pack.
Here
Here we go. Second pack.
Guys, let's see if we get the same luck.
And make sure you subscribe. And remember, it's all just too easy.
Electric energy. My, I needed this one.
Domataton. Galarian form. You're right. Phalanx. Size Sage.
Semi-Sage.
Pan
Pan
Sage.
Okay, you got the evolutions, put them together.
Hop on.
Single strike.
Liga.
Slugma
Don't say it.
has the power to burn down
Slugma.
has the power to burn down the entire
I
planet.
literally warned you and said don't say it. Make sure to fill the comments with slug my balls.
Oh my god, good card.
Reverse Hollow Mariel. I don't think I got something in the bag though. 3, 2, 1. Join the Too Easy Army. Ooh.
For alligator.
Hollow?
It's hollow, yeah. I like it.
Alrighty. Boom, 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 boom.
Evolving Skies. Recording. I believe this is an older card. That's why it has this.
Why do you start the accent whenever I start recording?
Shut up, they don't need to know. Alright, make sure to join the Too Easy Army. I really need your luck. I really, really, really need it. And I need the money. Now. For our first card.
Psychic energy.
Rapid Strike Floette. Boldor. No spoilers. No spoilers. Boldor. Aroma Lady. Hippopotamus. Delightful. Zorua. Fingers crossed. Psyduck. Rufflet. Reverse.
Hollow. Are the worst hollows getting worse? Look at this. This is trash.
That barely looks reverse hollow.
They're
Where's
getting
the-
worse.
Where's the shine?
This is reverse hollow, don't worry.
Wait, no, that's an older gen, the heat thing. They made them better. They used to be pretty trash.
3, 2, 1. Join the Too Easy Army.
Is it at least hollow?
No.
Okay. Bop, 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 bop. The second tin that we're going to be opening today is the Snorlax.
Where's your accent?
promotional pack? We start opening it slowly. We got our promotional card. Let's show it off real quick.
Show it off to the camera. Get them wet.
All right. In the light. Pop, 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 pop. Get them angles.
Wait, I gotta make.
All right. So here's Snorlax. We're gonna sleeve it real quick. Pause. And now we have this. Brilliant star.
Now we shall test Jonathan the Stud's shuffling.
Ah, yes.
So that one out first. Don't put it in my pile. 2, 3, and 4. Turn it over. And he didn't mess it up.
Here we go.
What energy. No. Don't skip it.
Recorded directly.
Don't
like,
skip it.
change the angle a little bit.
It's really beautiful.
Groudon.
Barry.
Chimecho. Chimchar. Minkino. Baltoy.
The battle toy.
Snorant. Reverse Holobadoo. It's not over.
Wheezy Army.
Too easy, army. Lapras.
Leopard.
Here we have a sword
Fusion
and
Strike,
shield.
aka my favorite packs.
Are these like, do I have to shuffle them, these ones? Or are
Yes, the same ones. You gotta shuffle them
Alright.
too.
Pause. This might take a
Don't put him next to mine, you little filthy rat. White borders better? Question mark.
We'll find out now.
Pretty sure.
Fire energy. Starting off with fire.
Energy. Double. I'm gonna do the voice from Skylanders cards. Spongy gloves. Frost moth. Wait, I have to commentate. Makuhita single strike. Pumpor. Swaddle. Skarmory single strike. Jinx. Come on, Too Easy Army. Reverse Hollow Wooloo and
Fusion Strike.
Is it hurting now?
It's hurting
How much?
a little bit.
Drow Landmaster.
Today we find out if black is better.
Then what? Then what? Say it one.
Nothing.
Race Wars.
All right, here we go. Ready? Oh, I saw a little spoiler. I hope that spoiler was a good thing. Here we go.
Ice Cube.
Ice Cube. Skiploom. Rapid Strike. Elemental Badge.
Upland.
Lillipop, Emolga, Tentacool, Pumpkablu, Reverse Hollow. Nice. I have this Aurora. Oh, reveal it already! Oh! Reverse Hollow.
I hate you.
Complete Hollow Sylveon V Rapid Strike
All
full art.
right, now, is it really better than my Shaman, though? Vote in the comments. Is it really better, though? No, that's pretty hot.
Here we go. Bwah, 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 bwah.
So not cool, bro.
Bwah, 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 bwah. Here are the results. Here are the results.
Here are the results. Oh, yes.
Ba, ba, ba. So here we got our first card. Any comment on this card? Next we got Darkrai promotional card and Snorlax promotional card. Nice, both hollow. Good stuff. Let me get them angles for y'all. Then we got Feraligatr hollow. Nice hollow right there. Very exaggerated amounts of hollow. We got reverse hollow Marill. Is it better than reverse hollow? Anyways, Pot Helmet, reverse hollow.
Azumarill?
And Shiftry, reverse hollow. Then we have reverse hollow Wooloo, the one we
Let's be honest, you don't
This
know
is
what
some
the hell
pretty
a
good-
Wooloo is.
This is some pretty good, I know who Wooloo is. It's pretty good,
Let's be
reverse hollow.
honest, you don't know who the hell Feraligatr is.
I don't know who for. Actually, I do.
Bro recognizes the name when I said it right.
Zoroark. The reverse hollow on this one, I don't like it that much, but I like the Pokemon. And then we have Sylveon V, Rapid Strike, full art. Ignore that in the background. Anyways, yeah, Sylveon V, full art, Rapid Strike. And finally, the best card that we received, Bidoof, reverse hollow. That's gonna end it all for today, folks. Thanks for watching.
Yo, I'm 3 inches!